Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a mani using Color Club oil slick polishes, in which I call a lazy gradient, and I'm doing some abstract stamped nail art. If you're new, welcome to the channel and please consider subscribing, and if you like this type of content, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Please go ahead and click on that like button, and don't forget to click on your notification bell so you know when I upload new content. Remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.